Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 4 of week 5 and we will continue with chapter 3 office automation. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about paste special command. Paste special command has many options like all. It will copy and paste all the contents of one cell into another, and formula, it will paste just the formula numbers and text without formatting. Formats option, it will paste just the format without any number, text and formula. Value option, it will just copy and paste the value without any formatting and formula. And all except border options, it will paste all the information, formula, number, text, except the borders. Today we will discuss about the graphical representation of the data in MS Excel. In MS Excel, charts are used, various types of charts are used to represent the data graphically, and a chart is helpful in explanation and representation of the data in MS Excel. There are many types of the charts like column, line, pie, bar, chart and many others. And first of all, what you have to do, you will enter the data in your spreadsheet like the one in the image. The data entered in the image is months, bears, dolphins, whales, and bears column show the number of the bears in the month January, February, March, April and so on. After entering the data, you will select your data like the one selected in the image. After that, you will click on the Insert tab and under Charts group, you will click on your desired chart. Let's say I have selected line chart as shown in the image. When you will click on the line option, a drop down menu will appear showing many categories of the line chart, and I have selected with line with markers. You can select any option you want. After clicking that option, you will see the graph like this will appear on the screen. It shows the months along the x-axis and the value of bear, dolphin and whales along the y-axis. You can also give the title to your chart and title to your axis, like you can give the title to x-axis month. For this, you have to select your chart, click on the layout tab and then click on the chart title, and here you will select the option and give the title of your chart. Review. Today we have discussed about graphical representation of the data. We have discussed that to insert the chart, you have to first enter the data, select that data, click on the Insert tab, click on the type of the chart you want to insert, and then your chart will be inserted in your spreadsheet. Assignment. You have to practice the graphical representation of data in MS Excel. This is the end of our lecture. I hope you all understood the lecture. Thank you.